Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Saturn 4 versus Saturn 3. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about build quality. Saturn 4 provided premium aluminum alloy, sturdy design, and 3 provided durable plastic lightweight build. So 4 is better. Now let's look at the display size. Saturn 4 provided 6.8 inches display size, and Saturn 3 provided 6.2 inches. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the resolution. 4 provided 2560 into 1600 pixels and 3 provided 1920 into 1080 pixels. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the processor. Saturn 4 provided Acta-Core 3.2 GHz processor and Saturn 3 provided Acta-Core 2.8 GHz processor. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the RAM. Saturn 4 provided 12 GB RAM and Saturn 3 provided 8 GB RAM. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the storage. 4 provided 256 GB expandable up to 1 TB storage and Saturn 3 provided 128 GB expandable up to 512 GB. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the battery capacity. Saturn 4 provided 6000 mAh battery capacity and Saturn 3 provided 4500 mAh battery capacity. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the camera. Saturn 4 provided 64 MP rear and 32 MP front camera and Saturn 3 provided 48 MP rear and 16 MP front camera. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the operating system. Saturn 4 provided Android 14 and 3 provided Android 13. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. Saturn 4 provided 5G Wi-Fi 6E Bluetooth 5.3 and Saturn 3 provided 4G LTE Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.1. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the ports. Saturn 4 provided USB-C SD card slot and Saturn 3 provided USB-C. So Saturn 4 is better. Now let's look at the audio. Saturn 4 provided stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and 3 provided stereo speakers. So 4 is better. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of Saturn 4 is estimated $799 and the estimate price of Saturn 3 is $599. So Saturn 3 is better for price. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.